I'm trying to get ready to go somewhere. And I have hiccups. Is it gonna happen? Is it going to happen? I'm talking la 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 la. Yep, there we go. And I can't use peanut butter because it affects the dry mouth. I'm currently waiting for my new beta blockers because the previous one that was on didn't help. Sorry, it didn't help. So I'm waiting for that. My insurance has to authorize it first through my doctor. Is to send them notes and so that my insurance be like, oh, okay, she needs them. Cool. Hiccups from getting up. Oh, or something. Like, I don't. Why? Why is this a thing? Why is this a thing? This was my heart rate getting ready. Why is this a thing?